guys, today we have Samsung A30s Teardown Disassembly. Before we continue, the screen is broken. You can reverse and see it by yourself. Remove SIM card slot, then bring the heat gun and start heat the back glass or the back plastic. I opened this device to replace the screen, so I had to make a full teardown. This will help you for any problem you got. The next video we are going to upload the new screen replace. You can heat the screen at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds to heat the adhesive under the plastic cover. Now push out, then put the plastic tool inside it or the playing card. In this way you can remove the plastic cover. Don't push the plastic tool in the middle, just on the side frame. On the side and the edges there is one flex cable in the middle. Take your time, there is no need to rush. I will meet you again in a few minutes. I'm almost done. The back plastic case has been opened. Cut the adhesive. Okay. Now take out all screws. Now you can push the plastic frame from the screen. You can push it using your hand or any plastic tool. Unplug the battery. Remove the main flex cable board. Connected the charging port to the main board. This time is one cable. The other A30 and A20 was having two flex cable, separate flex cable. Okay, now they combined it. Heat the screen at 2050 Celsius degree and remove it with plastic as we did with the frame, with back plastic frame. This circle need a flex cable is for fingerprint. So when you put your finger, there is a scanner beneath it. It reads your fingerprint. Continue disassemble. Remove the black screw. There is one screw on the board. Remove the antenna cable. Remove the front camera and remove the 3 rear camera. Remove the antenna from down from the charging port. Remove fingerprint flex cable. There is 3 screws down, remove them. This is the one who read your fingerprint. Remove the charging board. We have here the audio jack, the microphone, the charging port, and some antenna connecting to the main board. Remove the vibrator. Remove ear speaker. Now at last we need just to remove the battery. I have speed this up a little bit. All you need is to push the battery from one side and then put a plastic tool beneath it, then swipe until you finish. Be careful with the battery. The battery is very dangerous when you deal with it. Don't scratch it, don't hole it, and don't curve it. These are all the pieces from the Samsung A30s. Now we can make the full assemble. You can watch this by your own. There is nothing to be said. If you have any questions, just write it below in the comments. I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.